In this video we will see how to set up Claude in VS Code. So guys, if you want to set up the Claude in the VS Code, so guys, it is very easy. First of all guys, you simply open your VS Code and create one folder Claude. If you are working on any project, so don't worry, simply open terminal and click the option of new terminal. Okay, after that you minimize these consoles and you are in your folder. If you have a particular folder, so you just click on the folder, then right click on it, then open in again in terminal. Okay, then guys, here you see that we have some commands. So first of all we install the node, so you just copy this command and you check all these command, and here you simply enter. Okay, so guys, here it shows the any version, so it's okay. Otherwise you type init node. Okay, it means install the node. If it shows the version, so it's mean the node is already installed in your computer. After that you install this npm install @anthropic.ai.cloud/code. So simply enter and hit enter. Okay, so it start downloading and installing the Claude in your folder and your system. So it take few seconds. After that, here you enter this command Claude version. If it is shows the version, like here I am paste this command and enter the version, and if it is shows the version, here you see and the Claude. So guys, here you see welcome to the Claude with the version of 2.10.3. so it's mean that your Claude is successfully installed. Okay, and here you see it asks you to choose this style, so you choose any of your style. So I like the dark mode, so enter the dark mode. Here you also check the effect. Okay, so you click the option of dark mode and hit enter. Okay, then you simply choose your account with the subscription, and it need the premium account if you want to run into your Visual Studio Code. Okay, after that guys, you simply another step, you simply go for the extension, go for here the extension, and here you simply search the Claude. So guys, here you see Claude for Visual Studio Code, then click for install. So it start installing, it take few seconds. So here you see the progress bar is show here. When it's show the installation is complete, then you simply here you see that your AI code partner. Okay, and your code Claude install. So guys, simply go to your file. Okay, and guys, go to your folder, and if you want to start your Claude, so simply open your terminal and simply type the Claude. Okay, sorry, CA. Okay, and your Claude is activated. So this is the way that you can run the Claude in your Visual Studio Code. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.